Hello and welcome to my show. What's up, guys? I have decided to buy an Enegon battery. I had 3 GoPro batteries and one went defective on me. I tried to email the company to see if I get another one because I only had it for less than 6 months. I bought it directly from them. With this, it came with this dual charger. Let's see. Here's the Enegon Charger. It stays green even when there's no batteries. But this battery went defective. I don't know why the paint came off the side like that, or the tape or sticker, whatever it is. Each of these batteries is rated at 1,220 milliamp hours. It's somewhere in fine print, but it's the same size. Look, I'm going to show you this defective battery. And if you look inside, there's 4 prongs on this one. And on the Enegon, there's 2. On Enegon, there's a little plus and minus there's a plus on this side, minus on that side. I don't know if you can see it, probably not. But look, this battery needs charging, right? And here's a defective one. It won't charge in the dual GoPro charger. And this one won't charge in the camera either. I can show you, switch it around. This battery needs charging too. This one should be good. It'll turn green. Like the Enegon. The Enegon works in the dual charger too. Alright, so I was pretty upset that I paid 20 bucks for about 20 bucks for this battery, and it didn't last very long. But I got these Enegons 3 for around 37 bucks or something on Amazon. And it came with the triple charger. And they work just as good. This is actually a red light. It might appear orange. But that's the battery. That's the defective battery. And it's charging on this one. Once this thing is charged, it runs like a regular battery. The battery in the fine print says do not use other chargers, but I'm going to use this charger because it's working for that battery. All 3 of these need charging. They're all getting charged. Oh, let's do that. Alright, so I tested both of these batteries. I just ran the GoPro straight to see how long each battery lasted, and both of these things got about 1 hour and 6 minutes, very close to 1 hour and 6 minutes of recording on one battery. I had it recording at 1080p, 60 frames per second. So that's what I wanted to show you, that these batteries work just as good. So I would recommend these things. I would recommend the Enegon batteries. They seem to work just as good as the GoPro factory batteries. Might as well charge these up, right? That one's already charged. That one's charged. Alright, I'm not going to record the whole thing, but I'm going to come back when these things are charged up and I'll show you they all turn green. What I forgot to mention was that I use these batteries in a GoPro 8. So I get 1 hour and 5 minutes and some seconds using these batteries in a GoPro 8. They work. Okay, so we're back and the batteries are charged up, and I'm like looking for my third Enegon battery. The battery I'm using is the Enegon in the GoPro. So we're good, man. I recommend these. These aren't bad. I mean, for the price, they're pretty good.